Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on UMA token. In today's video, I want to show you how the UMA token has broken out a resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me start with this pattern that I shared for my members at the Patreon. That is basically this same falling wedge pattern that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members. And that was a breakout from a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame. You can see on 1st of March I shared this pattern when the price line after this breakout likely to have some sideways move. It was moving at $7.37, and I defined my targets $8.30, $10.70, and the final target is the top of this wedge here, that is $21. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line has so far rallied up to here, that is $13.30. So that is more than 80% pump since after I have published this chart. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, this is the same falling wedge pattern. Then we can see that we are stuck at this resistance of $10.70, and we are also stuck under the resistance of this yellow line, that is the 200 daily simple moving average. Here we have very strong resistance on of the 200 daily simple moving average and $10.70. And if we watch the previous history of UMA token, here this level has been breaking as a resistance, even the 200 daily simple moving average as well. This yellow line in here, you can see the price line again rejected by $10.70 and the 200 simple moving average in here as well. And when we were moving above this level of $10.70, it worked as a nice support here and as a nice support here as well, and here it was working as a support in here and here as well. Therefore, it is very strong resistance now this time, and the price line is not able to break out this resistance, even though we have rallied up to $13.30, but the price line is not closed above this resistance level even on the 4-hourly time frame chart. Here we had the closing at $10.25. Therefore, in order to achieve this final target of $21, we need to break out this $10.70 resistance level. Now, if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, here we also have another very big downtrend line resistance. You can see we have a rejection here, we have rejection here, and here as well, and here as well. Right now, the price line is again moving towards this resistance, and it is also struggling to break out this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame. So if the price line breaks out this EMA 21, it can work as a nice support, and it can be very helpful for the price line to break out this resistance. And once the price line will be able to break out this resistance, then it can start a very big and long-term rally. And right now this resistance is approximately at $18. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.